This is our 10th year of doing Service Juris, which is a community service project for the legal community to give back to different folks around the Atlanta community. We have folks out here helping with landscaping and doing a whole lot of painting inside of the school. There's a lot of work to be done, and we're happy to be out here today to help. The thing that's the neatest about this project for me is in the legal community we're asked a lot for our money. And we bill by the hour. It's always, that time is our most valuable asset. And what we're asking for this project is no money. Well, obviously we ask for some money from the law firms, but no money from the individual volunteers. What we're asking for is their time. We actually have a lot of staff people who come out, which is really neat, and it's one of the few projects where you get to see attorneys, secretaries, paralegals, administrative assistants, all working together to get something done for the community.